Hi everybody, it's Miss Lorenz. I'm going to talk about Unit 2, Lesson 14. And we are back to the fizzy juice problem. So remember the fizzy juice? It's that cranberry juice and soda water problem. So remember, this was back from, I think we started in Lesson 2 talking about fizzy juice. So remember, the recipe calls for 5 cups of cranberry juice for every 2 cups of soda water. So we end up with this ratio, 5 to 2. So with a ratio of 5 to 2, we know that we need 2.5 cups of juice for every 1 cup of soda water. So if you look at this ratio, you can see that I took half of 5 to get 2.5, and then I took half of 2 to get 1. So this is an equivalent ratio. Sometimes kids think, well, you can't have a ratio that has a number here with a decimal. Yes, you can. The key here that we want to look at, and that makes this a ratio that's important and significant, is that it's per 1 cup of soda water. So this would be a unit amount. So if we use 16 cups of soda water, what number goes with 16 to make a ratio that's equivalent to 5 to 2? So take a look at our table. We're using a table now, not a double number line. So we start with our original ratio, 5 to 2. We have scaled it now to make our unit amount, or our unit ratio. So we know we have 2.5 cups of cranberry juice for every 1 cup of soda water. And now I know I want 16 cups of soda water, right? So what number goes with 16 to make a ratio that's equivalent? To make a ratio that's equivalent, I just need to make sure I'm multiplying the same row by the same number. So I can do this 2 ways. One way, I could multiply 2 times 8 to get 16. But then I would have to multiply the same row, so that would be the 5, times 8 to get 40. But I could also, since I found this unit amount, I could also multiply 1 times 16. But if I multiply 1 times 16, then I have to multiply 2.5 times 16. 2.5 times 16. I know 2 groups of 16 is 32, and I know a half a group of 16 is 8, and I know 32 plus 8 is 40. So of course I get the same thing as we would expect, and I hope that this helps you with your practice problems for this lesson. Thanks for listening, everybody.